Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the new Natasha Denona Yucca palette. It looks beautiful. I've been seeing it on social media. I'm sure I have a picture of it popped up right here. Today I'm going to talk about why I'm not purchasing that palette, at least not right now. I have a palette that I want to share with you that is so similar to that palette in formula and in colors, and it is a fraction of the price. So the Yucca palette is going to retail for $69. It is available on June 1st. By the time this video goes up, it is available. Truly, I adore Natasha Denona's formula. It is in the top 3 of my favorite eyeshadow formulas: creamy blendable mattes, smooth popping shimmers. However, there is another brand that is in my top probably 3, and that is Juvia's Place. So today I'm going to compare the Juvia's Place Nomad palette to the Natasha Denona Yucca. There are some great similarities. So for today, I thought it would be fun to pull this palette out. I've had it a while. I love it. It is a gorgeous palette. I believe her name is Mandy. I will post her picture. I've been watching her YouTube channel for a long time. She is who turned me on to Juvia's Place. Thank you. Mandy Lee, that is her name. I will have her picture and her YouTube channel listed in the description box below. So I'm gonna put a look together with this palette showing how beautiful it is. And I also picked up a new shade of their cream blush formula. You know, I believe it's called Blush Lily. Love it. Picked a shade that's going to match this. Anything that is on my face will be listed and linked in the description box below. I will let you know that 90% of it is Juvia's Place. I'm going in with this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to make that sort of my higher transition on my eye. And we are just doing a quick look, because I'm telling you, I was on that website. You know I love Natasha. I was ready to order it and I thought, goodness, that color story looks really familiar to me. And if it were any other brand, I might question, but Juvia's Place is one of the closest I have found to Natasha's formula. I'm sort of just throwing this in the higher area crease. It's going to be visible. It's just a shade or two off from my skin tone. And next, same brush, I'm going to go into this warm orange terracotta shade, and I'm going to put that a little bit deeper into the crease. See how I'm sort of pressing that brush into my crease? Because I want that to be the concentration, and then I'm letting the edges of the brush do the blending. Just dragging it over a teensy bit just for a proper blend. I am so warm. I'm going to go into that deeper shimmer because I noticed that one in the Yucca palette, and I am going to put that on the outer corner using my finger. And I'm just pressing it. It's like a press and pull kind of action. Now I'll go into this coppery shade right here, and I'll put that on the front part of the lid. Juvia's Place shimmers are so gorgeous. Silky, smooth, not thick and chunky. And then I'm using a clean finger just to blend those two shimmers together. Just going to do the same to the other side. Now on the bottom of the Natasha palette, there is a green, and the top row there is a green, so I'm going to go into this green in the Nomad palette, and I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. There we have it. I'm going to go ahead and jump off camera, add some mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be back to play with the new cheek color. I'm back. Liner and mascara is on. I also threw a little bit of white liner in the inner corner, all linked in the description box. And now I want to test out the new, losing my fan, liquid blush from Juvia's Place. This is the color that I currently had, and it is called Blush Lily. Here, Blush Lily. And the new shade that I got that's going to match this eye look a little bit more is Coral Rose. This is what it looks like. And let me go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's very pretty. Just what I was looking for. And if cream blush is not your thing, Juvia's Place has a nice powder blush formula. Hopefully that was not too much. Ooh. Might have been too much. And I love it. That one little dot does this. This is my e.l.f. Putty Primer brush, and I just like to stipple. I'm just gonna do a sun-kissed across the nose kind of look. We can fix this with powder. Actually, I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and just go around the edges. I do want to take down this shine a little bit. I went and grabbed my Essence All About Matte just to sort of take down this shine in my T-zone. There you have it. Let me know what you think about the Juvia's Place Nomad palette for $17 as compared to the new Natasha Yucca palette for $69. Do you see the resemblance? Am I crazy? I think it's a very, very similar color story, and I say if money's tight or you can't get the Natasha or you just want that color story, choose Juvia's Place. And as far as the new liquid blushes, they are a huge hit. I would not mind having every single one. I know that this one wears really well, and I'm just gonna assume that this one is as well. You know, I will keep you updated. So I hope that you found this helpful, enjoyed the eye look, and had some fun with me. I appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. If you hit that notification bell, you'll get notified every time that I upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you have any other similar palettes or what your thoughts are on the Yucca palette. Have you already ordered it? Let me know. I will see you in the next one. Have a fabulous day.